really not. And I mean, just like he said, he's not making the class around the car. He's just giving you the rules to make your car around the class. You know what I mean? Which is pretty nice. I mean, he could have just been like, you know, screw y'all. We ain't doing it. We ain't having that class. But there's going to be a lot that's happening this year. And like Terry's car is almost done. Honestly, when it goes back to dyno, I'm going to be tickled pink. Brandon, I think, almost has his truck done, or is done, or is just doing odds and ends. I can't remember. He's going to come out swinging. I mean, it's just a lot of people, like Dave, Jimbo. Jimbo got a new car. Let's see, Zach. He's building that truck. It's gonna be a nice little truck, I'm not gonna lie to you. John Boy is doing some modifications with the Fox. Easy. This thing has too much horsepower. It's a Saturn. Philip Heavyweight Holland. I was trying to talk him into putting a Coyote in his car. Windsor man all the way. Understandable. Good engines. Really good engines. He gonna slap a little bit of extra nitrous. Just a little, not a whole lot. Just enough to backflip the whole car if needed. I'm trying to think of who else is doing what. I think Michael Goebel almost has his done, his Honda. I'm not sure if TJ ever got his line back out, his all-wheel drive Honda, which I would love to see. Stick shift, front wheel drive, whatever you want to call it. Like, I'd love to see the both of those come back if they're separate classes or just one class. I'd love to see that. That would be amazing. I love watching the little, like, Neons, Hondas, people like me in a shit box with 100 shot just because we bought it for 500. It is what it is. Brandon Goebel, Michael's brother, has been doing fabrication, killing it, might I add. I think he's doing dynos. I don't know if he's doing dynos. I saw that he done a dyno, a couple, but it might not be Brandon. It might be another brother. I don't know. One of them's doing dynos. Okay, but yeah, he's got the New Edge body style. God, if I got that wrong, everybody's gonna kill me on that. Let's see. I know a couple of 6-gen Camaros is getting ready to come out completely different than they were last year. They were just NA off the lot cars, and then wintertime came and they were like, it was fun being in, you know, a completely stock grocery getter, but let's put this bit power out on it, which ain't nothing wrong happens. Life. And I've been trying to negotiate with this older fella for a Monte Carlo. I found it while I was doing Spark delivery. And he's 50-50. One way he's like, I've had it for forever. And then the other side he's like, and that thing's kind of an eyesore. I don't know. I might get rid of it, but I've had it for so long. And I told him, I was like, if you want to, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine too. Just tell me. Which I'm not going to pressure him. There's F bodies, G bodies, all the bodies everywhere. Let's see. I think Johnny is staying. Small block could go LS carbureted. Be interesting. Because nobody around here really does LS carbureted, but LS carburetor, actually pretty nice setups. Just, most people forget that it is a carburetor, so you have to adjust timing for carburetor. Anyway, like they're really good setups. It's just around here, a lot of people don't do that. You're either fully carbureted small block, or you're fully fuel injected technology with 4 laptops. That's just, I don't know. Let's see. I think Joseph Beans from Mountain State Racing. Check out his YouTube. Amrands, Kentucky No Prep. I think that his car is finished up and ready. I could be wrong. Do not quote me on that. I hope it is, because look here, Joseph's car will get you. That you look at it and you be like, they just all motor. Yeah. Let's see, we got Jeffers. I believe his car's still good. His little Fox. I think his, I don't know what he's done with this other car. I want to say that the other car is about done, but I don't know for sure. So, but he's been killing it in the Fox. I mean, he's been running front side, back side, dang near dirt roads. I don't know. There's just a whole lot of everything going on, everybody. A lot of new events, a lot of rules, rule changes. A lot of new events coming to my small area of like the little pocket of West Virginia, Kentucky, and Ohio. Like, if you know about the little corner of the tri-state, that's it right there. But yeah, like KD, 52, 304, all that, like those. There's a couple of tracks that I'm not sure what's happening with them, but there's a couple of them that have really come a long way and have some awesome ideas that I cannot tell just yet, which sucks. I hate being the guy that knows and talks to everybody, because then I can't tell everybody. Fuck. Those train tracks are rough. Okay. This Saturn is even more rough. I love it though, because I can go like 3 days on like $15 of gas. You know what I mean? I changed the bushings. So the whole thing to do more live streams at races, if possible. Like I'm gonna buy another